does it matter who created Bitcoin? Does having the identity of this person change the future of Bitcoin in any way?
Well, the really great news is that no, it doesn't. It doesn't really matter at all, because what Bitcoin is at the end of the day is really a ledger. It's a very, very good ledger, maybe the best ledger the world has ever seen. And all that a ledger is a statement of truth. It's a statement that says who owns what and how transactions are made. And that statement is true whether the creator is Craig Wright or someone else, whether it's a good person or a bad person or multiple people, regardless of their motivation, that ledger is very, very solid, and that won't change.
So do you think that the true founder of Bitcoin will ever be revealed with certainty?
It will never be 100% certain, because we always have the potential that somebody could be hacked or compromised in some other way, or any number of other reasons. So it'll never be 100%. But if Craig Wright were to, for example, do a couple of key transactions, then I think the confidence would be very, very high. He hasn't quite done that yet. For most people in the industry are not convinced quite yet.
Give us a status update on the future of Bitcoin in general. Obviously, we know the valuation has fluctuated wildly. We talked about it a lot a year or so ago, and sort of interest around Bitcoin has really ebbed. What is the real future of Bitcoin?
Yeah, the interesting thing is, because it's publicly, or it's traded in a public way, that creates a lot of focus on the price. If the internet, if you had somehow been able to buy shares or coins of the internet, or TCP/IP or something like that, or HTML back in the late 80s, early 90s, that would have been very volatile too. So we see this volatility just because of the nature of it being a new thing. But overall, what's really important is the amount of new people entering this industry, the amount of venture capitalists that are investing in new startups, and that's very exciting. That's happening every day. There's more and more bright people coming into this. There's more and more very serious companies. I'm here in New York. There's all kinds of very serious banks and consulting firms and other companies who would have laughed at this technology a year or two ago, and now they're very, very much involved with huge teams that they're dedicating to looking at this.